Blue Dot. Cultivating Love for Learning.
Chapter 8. Types of Soil. The earth consists of several layers. The three main layers are the core, the mantle, and the crust. The part of the earth's surface consisting of humus and disintegrated rock. Soil. The top layer of the earth's crust that consists of sufficient minerals and organic material to be richly inhabited by organisms is called soil. Soil is a mixture of mineral and organic constituents that are in solid, gaseous, and aqueous states. Focus point study of soils is called pedology. It contains minerals and gravel from the chemical and physical weathering of rocks, decaying organic matter, humus, microorganism, insects, nutrients, water, and air. Soils differ according to the climate, geological structure, and rainfall of the area. Soil formation. The formation of soil happens over a very long period of time. It can take 1000 years or more. Soil is formed from the weathering of rocks and minerals. The surface rocks break down into smaller pieces through a process of weathering and is then mixed with moss and organic matter. Over time, this creates a thin layer of soil. Plants help the development of the soil. The plants attract animals, and when the animals die, their bodies decay. Decaying matter makes the soil thick and rich. This continues until the soil is fully formed. The soil then supports many different plants. Stages in the formation of soil. Stage 1, Stage 2, Stage 3, Stage 4. Types of soil. There are 5 main types of soil. 1. Clay soil. 2. Sandy soil. 3. Loamy soil. 4. Chalky soil or calcareous. 5. Peaty soil. 1. Clay soil. Clay soil may be likened in some ways to putty. It is very fine-grained, smooth and silky to the touch. Even when it is well drained, it is wet and so is difficult to cultivate during rainy periods and in the winter months. Clay soils are much richer in plant food than sand, and this, in addition to their water retention properties, makes them valuable in a dry season. It is most important to see that clay soils are drained, and this is one of the best ways of improving them. 2. Sandy soil. Sandy soils contain less than 10% of clay and consist of very small particles of silica and quartz. The amount of humus present will alter the color and the texture. Sand is a light and dry soil. It is one of the warmest soils as it warms up much more quickly in the spring due to its dryness. For this reason, it is useful in producing early crops. One of the advantages of a sandy soil is that it can be worked at any time of the year and it is comparatively easy to cultivate. On the other hand, it is poor in plant foods, coarse-grained, and does not retain moisture. 3. Loamy soil. The best way of describing loam is to say that it is an ideal blend of sand and clay. There are various types of loams, depending on the proportion of clay or sand present. Loamy soil is generally considered the best soil for large numbers of plants. The ideal loamy soil has all the advantages of sandy and clay soils. The sand present allows the plant roots to work easily throughout it, the clay present helps to look after the plant food side and prevents rapid drying out. In wet weather, the water can percolate through quite quickly, and so the soil does not become waterlogged, and in dry weather it does not become too hard for the roots to work through. 4. Calcareous or chalky soil. They are more often calcareous by reason of the fact that they overlie chalk or limestone, and the fine particles of these substances may be found every time the land is cultivated. When wet, they are often very sticky and unpleasant and so are difficult to work during rainy periods. In dry seasons they are disappointing, as they soon suffer from lack of water. Chalky soils have the advantage that the clubfoot disease of cabbages etc. 5. Peaty soil. Peaty soil has usually been derived from marshland where there has been continuous growth and decay over thousands of years. The most outstanding feature of them is that they are usually absolutely free of lime and so are very sour. Peaty soil is usually found in low-lying areas and so may be waterlogged and may need pipe draining. Certain crops, like celery, for instance, do very well on peat soils. Brown peat is easier to work than the black, heavy bog-like peat. Once peat soils are well worked and lined, they can prove very valuable. Subsoil. Subsoil are about a foot in depth, though many of them are no deeper than 8 or 9 inches. Below this is what gardeners call the subsoil, which may be similar in character to the material above, and yet which may not contain available plant foods. It is important to try and get the soil to as great a depth as possible. Subsoil affects the gardener, chiefly because it either allows or impedes drainage of the topsoil. For instance, if you have a light loam over gravel or sand, you can be assured that all excessive moisture will be quickly carried away. It is unfortunate to have an easily workable loam over clay, as then the movement of water is stopped and the surface can become waterlogged. Rocks. A rock is a naturally occurring aggregate of minerals. The rocks you see around you, the mountains, canyons, and riverbeds, are all made of minerals. A rock is made up of two or more minerals. You need minerals to make rocks, but you don't need rocks to make minerals. All rocks are made of minerals. Minerals. A mineral is an element or chemical compound that is normally crystalline and that has been formed as a result of geological processes. A mineral is composed of the same substance throughout. There are about 3,000 different minerals in the world. Minerals are made of chemicals, either a single chemical or a combination of chemicals. There are 103 known chemical elements. Points to remember. The part of the Earth's surface consisting of humus and disintegrated rock. The top layer of the Earth's crust is soil. Soil is formed from the weathering of rocks and minerals. There are 5 main types of soil: clay soil, sandy soil, chalky soil, loamy soil, and peaty soil. A rock is a naturally occurring aggregate of minerals. Minerals are made of chemicals.
Like, share, subscribe.